My name is Alex Wong. I am the director here at Dunwoody College of Technology. I oversee the Advanced Manufacturing Department, which includes machine tool technology, welding, and engineering drafting design, or CAD. Our general philosophy is that we take a very hands-on approach to our teaching here at Dunwoody. Each of our programs look a little bit different. We try to have each program replicate as close as we can the expectations or the experiences students will work with out in industry. So in our machine shop, obviously, we've got a lot of CNC equipment, we've got manual machines, so the students are getting a lot of time on the actual equipment and learning the software with each of their programs. CAD students are learning on their software and working with computers and multiple monitors and doing some rapid prototyping. So what the students learn here with their experience, and again, that close replication to industry work, is they are ready to just jump into industry from day one.
I came to Dunwoody as an instructor here this last year. In industry, I was a programmer. The only course we offer on a specific CAM software is Mastercam. It's the only thing the students use on these machines. The reason I like that is that given Mastercam's market share, this is the software that they're most likely to encounter when they leave school. What I came to this school to do was to set up these students for a successful career. And I think that Mastercam is the best tool for me to do that with. I have no hope of recollecting all of the times that I called ProtoTek support. You know, I'm glad to go take the training, but I need to know right now. I have an issue right now. Every time I encountered like a showstopper, I got the help that I needed.
Currently in the technical and manufacturing fields, we're seeing a high demand for students. We're at near 100% placement. Our students will get into a variety of industries. We've got a high mix of different industries here in the Twin Cities area. So everything from your traditional equipment, parts manufacturing, and then specialized area, which do include medical device manufacturing, and also a lot of aerospace up in our area. So the students are seeing a variety of different work, so being prepared for a number of different manufacturing strategies really helps them get placement. So with our hands-on approach to education and the close replication of industry within the school here, our students are ready to work right upon graduation, and some even get jobs even before they graduate.